How to create an outdoor gear e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account, and if you already have an account you just go with login and you type in your email or your username, then you click on next and you give it a few seconds to load, and after it's loaded, it's still loading. After it's loaded, you type in your password, then you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So here it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. And after typing your name, click on continue. Then here you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. Then you do the same with this other question, and then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about outdoor gear, so here I think I'm going to go with sports and recreation and tools and parts, or just sports and recreation as my category. And if you can't find your category in this list, you can just click on other and then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, type in the address. If not, just skip this step and move in to creating your store. So just give it a few seconds and your store will be quite ready. So here this is the dashboard, as you can see, and in your right you have the edit site button, which take us to the editing phase. Also we have the design now button, which does the same job as the editing site button, and in your left we have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you. Starting with website, we have also the edit site button in here, and we have the domains button, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section. If you want to create new products or change the ones that you already have, you can just go to the site's items. Then you have the site's categories if you want to categorize the products that you already created. And we have also options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you have the reports, the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources, online sales, site's items, abandoned carts, coupons. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you can just click on summary. Then we have the marketing section, where basically you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, from the email to the automated ads, mailing lists, segment setup, and also the summary, where you can see the summary of all these tools. And then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, and also the pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section, where we have the general settings, and it's where you can set your company name or change the name that you gave it already. Also you can set your address, your email, and your phone number in here, as you can see. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your Stripe account, basically all your payment processors, like your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or changing the country and the currency of your store, as you can see in here. Then we have the sales taxes and the units, where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you have. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's proceed to the overview, and then let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button, and here you will need to give it a few seconds to load. Just be patient with it guys, it will load right now. It's still loading, and here it is. We have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And it's still loading, and here we have the styles, as you can see, which is the first step of creating or designing our store. You will need to choose a style from these ones, but just wait for the store to be fully loaded, then you will be able to choose a style. So I'm going to choose the first one, and then click on hide styles to check if this style fits your store, and then click on apply site styles, and then you proceed to the site's design, where you can again change the site's design, and also you can add an image to be your logo, change the colors, change the fonts, and also change the shape of the buttons. So let's go and change the fonts from Enter to Comforta, this one. And if you want to play with these adjustments, you can do that until you find the one that meets your requirements. Then click on done, and after that we proceed to the button's shape and the image's shape. Let's change it to rounded, also rounded. Then click on done, and if you want to change these elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version. Then click on done, and then you have these pages. Let's close this one first, dismiss this one, dismiss again, and here as you can see we have these pages. If you want to change one of them, hide someone or show it, delete, or change the placement of it and play with it the way you want. And if you want to create new pages or new sections, you can just click on the plus button and you can create an item, category, section, or page. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section down below.